Hallie's been with me for all over 11 years, and I tell people that she's my greatest joy and my greatest responsibility. What I do as my job is not what's important. Who I am is Hallie's dad, and she's given me a great deal of love in her life so far. I give all the credit to Dr. Mike Georgiadis, who's my primary vet. I brought her in for a teeth cleaning back a few years ago. I got the call that they had found something on her lip. It was through his teeth cleaning that Dr. Mike was diligent enough to notice the melanoma.
Melanoma is one of the most common cancers of the mouth of dogs, and unfortunately also one of the most aggressive. In Hallie's case, Hallie's owner was very concerned about preventative care, and so did the right thing, took Hallie in routinely for preventative exams and had a dental exam done. My
immediate thought was to go to the best place to take care of it and do whatever it took to get rid of it.
When we saw Hallie for the first time in May of '08, she had just had the biopsy, and of course there was great concern about the progression of this melanoma. So our goal was to do additional surgery to ensure a wide removal of the primary tumor, but then also we wanted to take measures to prevent spread of the cancer, which is very, very common with melanoma. Hallie was treated with a vaccine that's used to prevent progression of cells that may have already spread to the lungs or to the lymph node, and it's been very successful in Hallie's case.
Hallie responded great. Her quality of life has been excellent. Looking at her now, she wouldn't know that she even had that. She's very happy. It's as if it never happened, and that is a miracle.